job, Lucas. Nice. Whoops. Oops. Good throw. Here's another one. Can you stand up again? Stand up. Hey, Lukey. Stand up. Come here. Lucas. Let's put that down for a second. You want to stand up? Oh. Good job. Good job. Oh, you're going to have to get that now? Good job. Are you walking with that in your hand? This would make Grandma a nervous wreck. Grandma. Well, Lucas has been walking a lot today, mostly in pursuit of balls. And he also really likes to carry things with him, like brooms or golf sticks, golf clubs, I guess. So yeah, it's May 3rd, 2010. I'd say this qualifies as walking. Congratulations, Lukey. Lucas! Hey, do you want to say anything to the camera? Hey, sir. Lucas. Nah. He just wants to walk. There he goes. It's rough terrain. Nice! Good job, Lucas! Don't hurt yourself with that thing. Alright.